This 2022 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 33C is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, slide-out, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2022 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 33C is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.